Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Okay, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to learn that how to use functions in Python language. Any high level language you can use that. I'm using here Python language. Now look here. Now look here what I have done over here. Here is what this hash sign shows that I'm commenting these statements. So compiler will ignore these statements when you will put this hash sign. It shows that this is not part of the programming statement. Now look here, function always return a value. Look here, function is returning a value when you want to create or repeat a set of instruction and you need to call it again and again. Then we will write function or procedures. Function always return a value. So whenever you will see over here okay, something is returning here result or any data, in this case this is returning, this function is returning a plus b, so it is called what? It's a function, it's not a procedure. So how to declare a function? Write diff is a keyword, then with the space, then write sum is the name of the function, and these are the parameters, that these are variables that we are passing to do what? To get this result. These are variables value you can change during the execution of the program. Okay, now look here, this is the outside of the scope of this function. Here it's outside. Variable a, variable b, we have declared two variables. And now what's going on here? Input function is used to do what? Is to print this message and then take input from the user and then convert that number into integer type so that we can add this operation on it. This one is what? Arithmetic operation plus sign. Okay, the same way we will apply same procedure over here, and then at the end we will print this number just like that, and here is called function calling. Just you will write the name over here and then pass the parameter, these parameters. We have taken input in these variables and then we are passing in this function, and then it will go over here and then give you a result. You can call this so many times. So let's run this script. Enter first number. Can you see over here I have written here message over here? Enter the first number with the specific keyword input function. It's a reserved word that you can use to take input from the user in Python language. For the other language there are other syntax, like in C++ you can use cin function. Okay, then this will do what? It will convert this string because this is a string. Now it will convert it into integer type. Then I'm going to type here 7, enter. Now is asking, now is executing this statement in a sequence, in a order. So it will do what? Now is asking for another number, so I will write here 5. So now when I will click next, so it will go over here and read this statement, and this function is used to print whatever you have written inside these round brackets. And here's a function calling, means we will get result over here, and here's a separator here. These are separating these two statements. And now when you put f over here, it will print the message sum of, and these curly brackets will show what? The variable store in these two variables. So these are not meaningful variable, these are just I have declared, just giving you example that how to use this. Means 5 will appear, 7 will appear over here, and 5 will appear over here. Then you press the result will go over here. So just try this again. I'm going to run this code. Now write 5, enter 5 here. Now press enter button. Now you will get the result over here. Sum of 7 and 5 is equal to 12. Look here, sum of, this is the sum of this one within curly brackets. 7 will appear, and then after this and 5 will appear. Okay, whatever we stored in this variable, it will appear here. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get updates from my channel. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. See you next tutorial. Allah Hafiz.